What is the primary purpose of conducting a data, systems, and process assessment in a privacy program? A. To ensure data confidentiality only. B. To monitor employee activities. C. To map data inventories and understand data flows. D. To solely focus on external threats. Correct answer. C. To map data inventories and understand data flows. Explanation. Mapping data inventories, flows, lifecycle, and system integrations is crucial for understanding how data is processed and stored, allowing organizations to pinpoint vulnerabilities and enhance data protection. Which of the following best describes the goal of risk assessment methods within the privacy operational lifecycle? A. Minimizing operational costs. B. Analyzing and managing risks related to personal data. C. Implementing IT solutions. D. Creating privacy policies. Correct answer. B. Analyzing and managing risks related to personal data. Explanation. Risk assessments are designed to identify, analyze, and manage the risks associated with personal data, ensuring that potential privacy issues are mitigated before they cause harm. In privacy program gap analysis, what is the primary objective? A. To evaluate the performance of the IT department. B. To identify discrepancies between current practices and regulatory requirements. C. To reduce the number of privacy complaints from customers. D. To assess employee knowledge on privacy. Correct answer. B. To identify discrepancies between current practices and regulatory requirements. Explanation. Gap analysis involves determining the desired state of privacy practices and measuring current practices against this benchmark to identify gaps, ensuring compliance and alignment with privacy standards. Why is ongoing monitoring and auditing critical for processes and third-party vendor assessment? A. It ensures continuous operational efficiency. B. It complies with international standards only. C. It helps in maintaining sustained compliance with privacy standards. D. It focuses on reducing costs associated with third-party contracts. Correct answer. C. It helps in maintaining sustained compliance with privacy standards. Explanation. Continuous monitoring ensures that third-party services remain compliant with established privacy standards over time, addressing any deviations or changes in their practices that might impact privacy. What is a key component of physical assessments in the privacy operational lifecycle? A. Reviewing the annual budget of the organization. B. Conducting employee satisfaction surveys. C. Ensuring appropriate physical access controls are in place. D. Updating the organization's mission and vision statements. Correct answer. C. Ensuring appropriate physical access controls are in place. Explanation. Physical assessments include evaluating the security of data centers and offices to ensure that appropriate safeguards, like access controls, are actively preventing unauthorized access. What does a privacy incident management process primarily aim to address? A. Employee training programs. B. Data breach response and remediation. C. Marketing strategies. D. Financial auditing. Correct answer. B. Data breach response and remediation. Explanation. Incident management processes are crucial for quickly addressing data breaches or privacy incidents to mitigate risks, minimize damage, and maintain trust. In the context of privacy assessments, why is the documentation of all privacy assessments essential? A. It is only necessary for training purposes. B. It fulfills a legal requirement to keep business records. C. It ensures accountability and transparency in privacy practices. D. It aids in marketing analyses. Correct answer. C. It ensures accountability and transparency in privacy practices. Explanation. Maintaining comprehensive records of all privacy assessments, including PIAs and DPIAs, is essential for demonstrating compliance, facilitating audits, and enhancing transparency within the organization. What is the main focus of the education and awareness component in assessing a privacy program? A. To negotiate better terms with data processors. B. To ensure all employees understand their role in protecting privacy. C. To focus on technology improvements. D. To satisfy external audit requirements. Correct answer. B. To ensure all employees understand their role in protecting privacy. Explanation. Education and awareness programs are aimed at continuously informing all employees about privacy policies and their specific responsibilities, reinforcing the organization's commitment to data protection. How does monitoring the regulatory environment impact a privacy program? A. It has no significant impact. B. It ensures the program remains static and unchanged. C. It helps the program adapt to new legal requirements. D. It reduces the need for internal policies. Correct answer. C. It helps the program adapt to new legal requirements. Explanation. Regularly monitoring changes in the privacy regulatory environment ensures that the privacy program can adapt and remain compliant with new and evolving legal requirements. Why is vendor internal use of personal information a critical assessment area in third-party vendor management? A. It determines the financial stability of the vendor. B. It assesses how vendors use and protect client personal information within their operations. C. It is unrelated to privacy management. D. It ensures vendors have an attractive branding. Correct answer. B. It assesses how vendors use and protect client personal information within their operations. Explanation. Evaluating how third-party vendors handle client personal information internally is crucial for ensuring that they have adequate security measures and privacy practices in place, aligning with the organization's privacy standards. Which aspect of a privacy program is directly evaluated through an assessment of incident management, response, and remediation? A. The effectiveness of the marketing strategies. B. The speed and efficiency of response to privacy breaches. C. The annual budget allocations for privacy management. D. The level of customer service training. Correct answer. B. The speed and efficiency of response to privacy breaches. Explanation. Evaluating incident management, response, and remediation focuses on how quickly and effectively an organization can respond to privacy breaches, which is crucial for minimizing damage and maintaining trust. What is the primary reason for performing a gap analysis against an accepted standard or law, such as GDPR, in privacy program assessments? A. To standardize the organization's branding strategies. B. To identify and address deficiencies in the organization's compliance with the standard or law. C. To facilitate international trade. D. To simplify employee training modules. Correct answer. B. To identify and address deficiencies in the organization's compliance with the standard or law. Explanation. Gap analysis is crucial for identifying shortcomings in the organization's current privacy practices relative to accepted standards or laws like GDPR, allowing for targeted improvements to enhance compliance. In the context of data, systems, and process assessments, what does mapping data inventories, flows, lifecycle, and system integrations help achieve? A. It primarily assists with employee performance evaluations. B. It helps in understanding how personal data is handled and identifying potential vulnerabilities. C. It is used for deciding executive bonuses. D. It supports the IT department in hardware upgrades. Correct answer. B. It helps in understanding how personal data is handled and identifying potential vulnerabilities. Explanation. Mapping these elements is critical for comprehensively understanding how data is managed throughout its life cycle, which is essential for pinpointing security weaknesses and enhancing data protection. Why is ongoing monitoring and auditing of third-party vendors crucial for maintaining a privacy program's integrity? A. It ensures continuous improvement in the quality of cafeteria food. B. It ensures that vendors consistently adhere to agreed privacy standards over the duration of their contracts. C. It is primarily intended to create additional work for the IT department. D. It helps in boosting the stock market performance of the company. Correct answer. B. It ensures that vendors consistently adhere to agreed privacy standards over the duration of their contracts. Explanation. Continuous monitoring and auditing are essential to ensure that third-party vendors remain in compliance with the privacy standards established by the organization, safeguarding against risks that could arise from non-compliance. What is the main benefit of having a robust incident management, response, and remediation process within a privacy program? A. It facilitates a more relaxed approach to data management. B. It ensures rapid and effective action in the event of data breaches, minimizing potential harm. C. It helps in reducing the effectiveness of the marketing department. D. It is only beneficial for meeting audit requirements. Correct answer. B. It ensures rapid and effective action in the event of data breaches, minimizing potential harm. Explanation. A strong incident response and remediation process enables an organization to quickly address data breaches, significantly reducing the impact on the organization and affected individuals. Why is it crucial to perform risk assessments on data outsourced to third-party vendors? A. To ensure vendors have entertaining marketing materials. B. To ascertain that outsourced data handling meets the organization's privacy and security standards. C. To facilitate the outsourcing of more organizational functions. D. To simplify legal contracts with third-party vendors. Correct answer. B. To ascertain that outsourced data handling meets the organization's privacy and security standards. Explanation. Risk assessments are essential for ensuring that third-party vendors handle data in a manner that is consistent with the organization's privacy and security standards, thus maintaining control over how personal data is processed and protected externally. In the context of privacy operational lifecycle assessments, why is documenting all privacy assessments crucial for an organization? A. It primarily serves to increase paper usage. B. It ensures transparency and accountability in how privacy risks are managed. C. It is only necessary for external audits. D. It helps in creating more storage space. Correct answer. B. It ensures transparency and accountability in how privacy risks are managed. Explanation. Documentation is crucial as it provides a clear, accountable record of all actions taken to manage privacy risks, supporting compliance efforts and enhancing the organization's credibility in managing data protection.